Okay, in this video I'm going to install the two inside panels that get welded to the floor. So we'll kick off. So initially what I'll be doing is I've put the seatbelt brackets on the back, drilled them through. Good penetration on the wells. So I've marked out where I need all the holes for the plug wells, so I'm going to do that now. I'll punch those out. This is the passenger side one, so same, I've done that. I'm just going to spray some weld through primer on the floor where it gets welded to. Yeah. Should have a mask on, I suppose. Oh, it's a bit potent, that. Alright, so that's that. Oh. When I initially marked these out, I thought it might have been a bit of overkill, but with the number of holes, but I think the more the better. Dropped the floor falling out on me, which will be a bit of a nasty event if that happened. I mark them out evenly because even though they're welded up and ground off, you'll still be able to see them, the shadow of them where they are, so I thought at least it would look even. Okay. I've also put weld through primer on this side, so should stop any rust. I can see I should also redo these ones here that I've welded from the other side, so I'll put some weld through primer on that as well. Now you'll be able to see that underneath the seat I've cut these. This was rusted right out under there, but rather than replace the whole panel, I thought I'd just cut it out and get these in, and I'll make up a new panel to go in there and weld it in after the floor's completed. So that's the plan. I've got a little bit of a gap at the front. I'm going to try and squeeze that up along here. You can see it's pretty good along the back, so the floor potentially is a little bit low just here, but we'll see. Pretty warm day here in Brisbane. I think it's about 34, 36 degrees. A couple of days before Christmas. Going to pull up all right. What I will do is where it's touching nicely, I will weld that in, and that will hold it while the rest of it. Yeah, that's good. Try and tap that floor up on the other side, just see if it will go. That's it there. Nearly at the point of no return. I'll weld it on the side so I'm flush with that. There. Tuck it there first. Put a few tacks on along the top here, just to hold it sitting flat. and then because it's got to follow this plane all the way to the bottom. If I tack it on the bottom and it's not square here, you can, that's what I need to do. But you see it's catchy here. I might pull it out and just cut off that corner so it can find its own home there. I think I'll play it safe and do that. So I've just trimmed out this corner so it'll fit in. That's better. That is better. I think I might put a couple of tech screws in just to hold it. I decided to tech screw the plate in to hold it in place while I tack welded it in, which seemed to work out a lot better. Can't see anything wrong with that. Okay, welding time. Okay, well, I've got that first one welded in now. I'll have to grind it off. There'll be some sealant go along the edges to stop any moisture getting down in there. It'll be, but yeah, I'm quite happy with that. All looks solid, rock solid. I still have to jack the floor up and split weld these in. But, I've just run out of gas for the MIG, so I won't be able to do the other one just now, so I might grind that out and I'll come back to you when I'm done and give you a look at it.